Hi guys, Carrie here. Welcome to Kodemine. So today we are going to talk about how we can make a career into JSP. So what is JSP? What are the things we need to learn and how we can step by step make our career into JSP, and what will be the salary package, and well, from where we can learn the JSP and how our career can grow into the JSP. So let's start with the video. So first of all, we need to understand what is JSP. So JSP is a Java active server pages. It actually bind the output with the HTML web pages. So if you guys are making your career into JSP, it means you are going into the website development using Java, right? And we all know the Java is one of the very oldest language into the IT industry and very stable language into IT. And if you guys are making your career into the JSP, it means your stable is very stable using Java, right? And what are the benefit other using Java? One thing we need to understand that Java is one of the very most secure programming language. Any government websites in India, any financial websites in India, all are written into the Java, right? So that is thing we need to keep in mind, that there is a very long term and a very stable career into Java as compared to the other language, because other technologies are like they come into their existence 4 or 5 years, after that they lost, right? So in the Java, that case is not possible into specifically into the Java, right? So there is a very stable career, right? And what are the things we need to now learn to get entry into the as a Java developer, right? So the thing is, first of all, we should have that very good concept of core Java, right? So in core Java, we should have very good understanding of collections. OOPS concept are very important because Java is purely written into the OOPS, right? Object, classes, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation. So these kind of things are very important if you are a fresher, right? For a fresher, these kind of things are enough, and you can apply for the interview, right? Then after you, if you have learned this kind of thing like core Java, then that is enough to get into the interview, right? You will definitely get a job. But if you want to learn something advanced, right, how, what are the next thing you can learn? The next thing is some frameworks like MVC, Spring, MVC Boot, sorry, Spring Boot, Spring MVC, and Hibernate. So these kind of things you need to learn, right? And Maven kind of things are available, which you need to if you want to learn the web development as a Java, right? So career is very stable here. The thing is, one issue is there, that if you are a fresher into core Java, there is a difficulty to find a job, right? Once you get a job into a Java, then things are very normal and you have a very good career and very stable career, right? And next thing is from where we can learn, right? How we can learn Java, what are the sources? So online freely lots of content available where from where we can learn Java. First of all, Java T Point, right? Official website of Java, and tutorialspoint.com, right? So these are a very famous website from where we can easily learn JSP, core Java, and other stuff of related to the JSP development, right? So these kind of things we need to understand if you want to get into the IT industry using Java. And what is the process then when you learn how to get the job? Then you need to start with the small company, right? You need to give the interviews, and you will get rejected like 1 or 2 times, but the thing is, you will understand that okay, these kind of things, these kind of questions are asked by the interviewer into the interview, right? You will work on that, and after that try in large companies, and definitely you will get some positive result. And if I talk about generic salary package, so the salary package for a fresher in a very small companies is like 10 to 15,000. That is very basic. I am talking about basic, the low payment. The in IT industry there is a no minimum maximum payment, right? If you are a fresher, right, then what will the sorry, for fresher there is a 10 to 15,000. If you are experienced, then what will be the salary package? For example, you have 2 to 3 years of experience, then you will definitely get the 5 lakh to 6 lakh package per year, right? It's a minimum. Again, I am telling you a minimum. The maximum is beyond our imagination, right? And the next thing is, if you are working into another technology, or you are working into another domain, how you can get into this? So for that you need to learn from the sources which I have mentioned, and try to do work with some freelance work, or the person who is already doing that work, try to work with him, right, on free basis, so that you can get a very good hand at that programming language, and definitely you will get the good result, right? Interview is very important. Try to keep giving interview, and you will definitely get a very positive result. So these are the all ways by which you guys can get into the IT industry using Java. Hope you guys understand and enjoy this video, right? If you guys have any query, question, just comment into the comment box, and please like the video and do subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.